Y'all, when I tell you, when I reposted it, I think it's over 600 views now. Like, when I tell you Riva knows what she's talking about, it's so real. I look crazy because I ain't got no lashes on right now, but my video shot up to over 600 views, engagement, all of the things. So I took her advice, I did the thing, made the adjustments, and it worked. So she really knows what she's talking about. It's going to be a great class. I want you guys to come. The link is down in the description. Hey YouTube family, what is up, y'all? I am sitting in traffic, so I thought I'd come holla at y'all and let y'all know and remind you guys about this YouTube workshop with Riva Reveals. If y'all are not subscribed to her channel, I don't know what you've been doing. If you haven't been learning how to grow your YouTube channel, you should definitely subscribe to her channel. But we are hosting a YouTube workshop together November 13th. It's a Thursday, next Thursday, not this Thursday, but next Thursday at 6:30 p.m. virtually. It's gonna be so good. I am super excited. She's about to drop all the gems, and if y'all don't know, she has grew her channel from 33K plus in under a year. I mean, if that's not somebody that you want to learn from, I don't know who you want to learn from. But I'm super excited. She has partnered with me in my Booked and Paid community. Speaking of that, if you have not joined the Booked and Paid community over there on Facebook, it is a private Facebook group. It's a free group. I drop gems every day. I post something. We support each other inside the group. The wins, the losses, all of the things, the ups and downs, just holding people accountable, because content creation, building your business, or learning social media, digital marketing, all of the things, acting, all of it is hard, and you need community to hold you together and to carry you through this time. So it's a great vibe over there, and I think y'all should join. But a part of that is having workshops and educating us on certain things. So if you already have a YouTube channel, or you're not consistent, or your views are low right now, I will be honest, views are low across the whole entire YouTube algorithm. So you may be making great content, your thumbnails may be good, your titles may be lit, but YouTube is just going crazy right now. I think they're really in transition and trying to figure out what works best. I will say my shorts, so my long form, ain't doing the best, but my shorts have been going crazy. And it's just like really short, like music stuff, or I'll talk, or the shorts have been really going crazy. So I'm not sure what's going on with that, but I mean, I still have some learning to do as far as long form content. And when I tell y'all Riva knows what she's talking about, I posted a video a few weeks ago, and I posted it at like 10 o'clock at night, right? And then like the next morning, she hit me up and was like, hey, this is such a great video, but I need you to do this, and that. Like, she had a couple of notes for me. I was like, all right, bet. I only had like maybe 5 to 7 views on the video at that point. So I was like, all right, I'll just take it down and do what she told me to do, add the notes, and then I'll repost it. Y'all, when I tell you, when I reposted it, I think it's over 600 views now. Like, when I tell you Riva knows what she's talking about, it's so real. I look crazy because I ain't got no lashes on right now, but it is so real. My video shot up to over 600 views, engagement, all of the things. So I took her advice, I did the thing, made the adjustments, and it worked. So she really knows what she's talking about. It's going to be a great class. I want you guys to come. The link is down in the description. Join the Booked and Paid community. This is what it's all about, learning from experts and people that are already doing the thing. Okay, maybe you have an old YouTube channel, right, that you want to revive. Maybe, you were posting and you were in a different niche, and now you want to change over to something else. Don't be afraid to start over. Revive that channel. Don't take those videos down, but you can make them unlisted, so that way you can keep the views if it hasn't been more than a year. If it's been more than a year, then you can go ahead and delete the videos, because those views are not going to count, because your view count has to be within 365 days. So if it's over that, you're gonna have to start over anyway to get monetized. You have to have the 4,000 watch hours within 365 days. But if you already have a channel and you're switching around your niche or whatever, go ahead and either delete those videos or put them as unlisted so you don't lose the watch hours, and then just start over. Come join the class, take some notes, learn a few things. It's gonna be good, y'all. I don't try to collaborate with people I don't think that they know what they talk about. Like, Riva is my YouTube coach, so I know she know what she talking about. I have experienced firsthand the results of what she told me, so she knows. Okay, I'm never gonna bring y'all anybody that don't know what they talking about. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed to her channel, subscribe to her channel and mine. And if you're just starting out and you don't have a YouTube channel, if this is a goal for you for 2026, I think you should do it. Okay, if this is a goal for 2026, come join the class, take some notes, get some ideas on what you can start posting about, teach people. Remember, YouTube is owned by Google. You want your content to be searchable, guys. So you could be teaching people something. You could be talking about your life story. You can do vlog style, like what is happening in your daily life. You know what I mean? Like, do you have kids? Are you a stay-at-home mom? Do you have special needs kids? What does that look like? What type of things do you do with them? What type of strategies or specialists do you take them to, activities to help them, like all of the things. It can range from anything. You can start a YouTube channel from anything. There's always somebody that wants to be where you are, that needs your expertise, that needs your knowledge, that needs your advice. You know what I mean? Like relationship advice, you know, being a woman, a black woman in America. I don't know. Like, what job do you have? What skills can you teach somebody? And there's all different types of styles of content. You can do voiceover content. You can record the behind the scenes of whatever it is that you do, or if you make something, but make the video a voiceover and talk about your life story. It doesn't have to match what you're recording. You could just story tell over something that you're doing. You know what I mean? It doesn't have to match, and that's really popular right now. Or you can explain what you're doing in the video, and you don't have to be face forward like this if you're not comfortable. 2025 is almost over. Y'all need to start working on your goals and the stuff that you want to do for 2026. Now is a good time. And I will be having more workshops, not just on YouTube, but on building digital products. If you want to content create using all of the different platforms, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, building community, whatever it is, I'm going to either host the workshop myself or have a expert and strategist come talk to us and have us learn, because that's what community is all about. That's what I'm all about. If you are interested in getting into the acting industry, voiceover work, background, or if you want to be a part of production and crew, I got you. Let me know. We can start figuring out where you need to start and get those first steps going. Okay, you can book a clarity call with me, give me all the information, give me all your ideas, and we can figure out where we can start to get you on these 2026 goals. You don't have to wait till 2026. Start now. Put it together. Start laying down the foundation, and I can help you with that. So that's what my clarity calls are all about, so you can dish out all of your ideas. And then, you know, because sometimes we get all like, we got all these ideas scattered in our brain. Well, we just need to lay down the foundation and get started, because it's all everywhere. And I'm sure you have some great ideas. So that is all that I have for y'all today. Come join the YouTube workshop. Come join the class, because it's going to be dope. It's going to be worth your time. And the cost is less than a Chick-fil-A meal, okay? Or your DoorDash order. Invest in yourself. Come get the knowledge. You will get notes at the end. The class will be recorded, so if you would like to take that with you, you can do that. Watch it, play it, pause it, rewind it. Do whatever you need to do, okay? I am just providing the space, but it's up to you to invest in yourself. And, you know, that's all we doing. We just trying to be great out here, all right? I appreciate y'all riding with me. I think the traffic is over, and I need to put this phone down before I cause an accident or something. But I appreciate y'all, and post the content. Y'all see me, I was just in traffic. Post the content, no matter where you're at. Don't worry about your aesthetic. Look at the back of my car. I got all the kids stuff back there. Listen, blankets, chairs, reusable bags. I got a couple scooters. It don't matter. It's all about the value that you are bringing to your audience, okay? Thank you, C fam. I appreciate you, and I will be back in another few days to love on y'all, because I need y'all to love on me too, okay? If you are new here, welcome to the C set. This is how I am. I just pop up with content as much as I can. I try to be consistent. I have a busy life, so this is me in a nutshell. But thank you for being here. Subscribe to the channel, and to my C family, thank you for watching. Keep sharing the channel, like, comment. Let me know what y'all want. Let me know what y'all need. I can provide that, okay? I can either make a video or create a workshop for y'all, okay? Virtual workshops are where it's at. You can stay home, learn from anywhere, all right? I will see y'all later. Let me get up off this phone, all right? Y'all have a good day. I'll see y'all later. Bye.